What is paper trading on Webull? Paper trading on Webull is a feature that allows users to practice trading without using real money. This simulated trading environment enables users to test strategies and learn how the stock market works without the risk of financial loss. One of the primary benefits of paper trading on Webull is the provision of virtual funds. Users receive virtual money, which they can use to make trades just as they would with real money in a live account. Additionally, the platform provides real-time market data, allowing users to execute trades based on actual market conditions. This makes it an excellent way to try out different trading strategies and see how they would perform without risking actual capital. For beginners, it's a valuable learning tool. They can learn the mechanics of trading, including placing orders, understanding market movements, and managing a portfolio. Since no real money is involved, there's no financial risk, making it a safe environment to learn and make mistakes. Users can track their performance and see how their trades would have fared in the real market, helping them refine their strategies. Overall, it helps build confidence and experience before transitioning to a live trading account. To start paper trading on Webull, you typically need to create an account on the platform, navigate to the paper trading section, and then begin placing trades using the virtual funds provided.